Videos like this of people, mostly teenagers, subway surfing atop moving trains, then posting to social media sites has the MTA calling on those sites to not post them. This after authorities say a 15-year-old was killed on Monday after hitting his head while atop a J train heading from Brooklyn to Manhattan. MTA Chairman Janno Lieber addressed the issue on WNYC Radio Wednesday morning.
That it's really a question of will and intention and a sense of doing the right thing. I'm not interested in having a constitutional law debate. I am interested in protecting New York City kids who, for whatever reason, are encouraged, incentivized to do crazy stuff.
Social media and privacy attorney Pedram Tabibi says Lieber is not overreaching.
I do think there's a justification here to tell the platforms to be more conscientious of the content on them, to remove harmful content.
This comes as the Supreme Court is currently hearing two cases regarding social media accountability. In one, the family of a young student killed in the 2015 ISIS Paris attack is accusing Google-owned YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, among other social media outlets, of aiding and abetting terrorism by allowing ISIS videos to be posted. At the center of the arguments is Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act, which provides tech companies a legal shield over what their users post online. But that law was passed in 1996. When the internet was in its infancy, decades before TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube were a thing. Nina Brown is a professor of media and First Amendment law at Syracuse University.
The broad immunity that Section 230 provides social platforms has been something that both conservatives, liberals, everybody in between has had a gripe with.
And should the plaintiffs strike out with the Supreme Court, there may be another way.
Congress is the place that should address this, though, especially with all of the advancements in AI and how this field is really changing. Congress is probably much better situated than the court to make changes, if necessary, in this area of the law.
Antoine Lewis, Fox 5 News.